Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I review Monster High dolls every Wednesday, and today I want to show you my 2015 Monster High Boo York NERFERA De Nile City Schemes doll, item CKC65. She's got gorgeous hair, really pretty aqua blue with gold strands, black strands, and some white strands here on this side. Her screening is just awesome. I love her eyebrows. I would call that black. They're black eyebrows. She's got some shiny gold eyeshadow at the very top. Then turquoise blue, gold, and some black. Her irises are purple. She's got a bit of a blue line in her actual eye. She's got a curly Q in her makeup at this side. It's like a little, just a little curl. She's got loads of lashes on the bottom. No lashes on the top except for that little curly Q, if you want to call that a lash. Her lips are a very dark red. She's got a widow's peak in her hair. You turn her around to the back so you can see her gorgeous blue hair. I love that color. It looks great on her. Her arms, her skin tone at the forearm is like a tan color. And then at the bottom, she's got this armor or fabric on. Maybe kind of looks like a mummy wrap. These are not her original hands. She came without hands. So I put a pair of the 2014 We Are Monster High student Disembody Cleo De Nile hands on her. CBX 43. It matches her skin tone. And I did not have her original fashion. She did not come with it. So I put this 2011 Create a Monster Sea Monster W9157 top and skirt on her. The skirt matches her hair really well. And I thought that looked really cool on her. She is wearing her original shoes, her original Boo York shoes. It's got this zigzag or squiggly snake print. In fact, the heads, I think, are snakes here at the top. Let me bring it in closer so you can see. Take her off here. Okay. Those heads, they definitely look like snake heads. There's the shoes from the side. Matches her hair as well. She's beautiful. She is Cleo De Nile's sister. These girls are daughters of the mummy. And they are just gorgeous. I think this doll is probably, in my opinion, prettier than Cleo. But Cleo is gorgeous as well. I like these Boo York dolls. They have a lot of color and style. And these shoes are killer. Great shoes. I hope you like my NERFERA De Nile doll. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.